Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Dart in neutral full guide. Start by ensuring the car is stopped and stable, foot on the brake pedal, and parking brake engaged. For automatics, press the brake firmly, move the shift lever to neutral, and confirm by gently releasing the brake to feel free roll resistance. For manuals, depress the clutch fully and shift to neutral, then release clutch smoothly while holding brake. For an automatic Dodge Dart, press the brake pedal firmly and keep the engine running if needed. Grip the gear selector, press any release button, and slide the lever into neutral while holding the brake. Verify neutral by gently releasing the brake to check for a lack of propulsion and by observing the gear indicator. Keep the parking brake set if parked and avoid shifting to neutral while moving at speed unless directed by an emergency procedure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life simpler and keeps your garage floor tidy, which is handy after working on a car. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For a manual Dodge Dart, press the clutch pedal fully with your left foot and keep the right foot on the brake. Move the gear lever to the neutral detent, feeling it float between gears, and keep the clutch depressed until you are ready to move. If parked, set the parking brake before releasing the clutch. When in traffic, only shift to neutral when safe and avoid coasting in neutral at speed to maintain control and engine braking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.